In this video, we are going to install the Google Drive Resource app for students. You will notice I am logged in as a student. I see all of my course tiles here on my course dashboard. First, I'm going to go to Resources. On the left-hand side of the screen over here, I'm going to click on Apps. And you're going to notice that I have, under Available Apps, my Google Drive Resource app. Students need to come and approve that Google Drive Resource app installation, including connecting their Schoology account with their Northside Google account. If they don't see their name populated here, they will be prompted to portal through entering their student email address. If they see their email address on the screen, they can click it. They do have to click Allow. And once this is connected, this screen will populate. These are all of the assignments available to this student. However, students are not going to access assignments from here. This is a one and done. Once your Google Drive Resource app is connected, you can go back to Courses, and then you can open up a course and navigate to your assignment as you normally would.